Okay, now I for a long time have liked to say that, personality is not computable. Perhaps with quantum computers it would be. But anyway, here's something from Scientific American. I heard of this story a while ago, and April 13th, 2007 is when it is the date here. I didn't hear about it that long ago. I heard about something more recent, I think. Anyway, I'm actually just going to read it. It's called, When It Comes to Photosynthesis, Plants Perform Quantum Computation. The wave-like motion of energetic particles through the photosynthetic system enables plants to efficiently capture the sun's energy. Okay, here's the main text. Plants soak up some of the 10 to the 17th joules of solar energy that bathe Earth each second, harvesting as much as 95% of it from the light they absorb. The transformation of sunlight into carbohydrates takes place in 1,000,000 billionths of a second, preventing much of that energy from dissipating as heat. But exactly how plants manage this nearly instantaneous trick has remained elusive. Now, biophysicists at the University of California, Berkeley have shown that plants use the basic principle of quantum computing, the exploration of a multiplicity of different answers at the same time, to achieve near perfect efficiency. Biophysicist Gregory Engel and his colleagues cooled the green sulfur bacteria Chlorobium tepidum, one of the oldest photosynthesizers on the planet, to 77 kelvins, negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit, and then pulsed it with extremely short bursts of laser light. By manipulating these pulses, the researchers could track the flow of energy through the bacterium's photosynthetic system. We always thought of it as hopping through the system, the same way that you or I might run through a maze of bushes, Engel explains. But instead of coming to an intersection and going left or right, it can actually go in both directions at once and explore many different paths most efficiently. Now, there's 3 more paragraphs. I'll put the link to the side, but that much is fair use. And so, this is how the quantum thing works. You try all of the passwords at once, and then there's a way to find the one that works and notice it, because what you're doing is you're trying everything, so everything's getting noticed, and then the one that works is made most probable, because you can manipulate the probability of the outcome. It's not just 50-50, it can be manipulated based on having some testing criteria. And plants are using quantum mechanics, it looks like, and photosynthesis. I suggest this finding is going to continue. We're going to find the use of physics. Evolution has a way of discovering physics. And, I don't see any reason. People say there was no quantum computing for us because of blah, blah, blah. Well, no, there's balanced systems. It doesn't affect everywhere. People talk about quantum events, random photon hitting their neuron and making it fire, and could that cause a change? No, the noise is too low. Right, no, it's not going to be like that. It's going to be like this, where these plants get 95% efficiency solar energy, and, mental energy will probably, be related. I think there's very likely that the brain is somehow using quantum phenomena. And if that's true, there's some really profound implications of that.